Good morning. Speaking of stones, is it a sin to wear crystals and gemstones? Some of you probably wonder what a sin has to do with gemstones. Notion of sin has evolved over the centuries. Some sins have been removed and some have been added. Christianity and Judaism have the original sin, violation of 10 commandments, and 7 deadly sins. Islam has 70 major sins. The research of sins and with different religions will get you to the land of confusion. Humans and gemstones have many similarities. We are all made of the similar atoms and molecules. Rocks have chemicals that are also found in the bodies of humans, animals, and plants, so we are all sort of related. Everything creates magnetic fields. It might humble you to know that you and everything around you is 99.9% of empty space. Maybe we are not as important as we we think we are. If God is the original source of all matter, He probably is not a physical form that is made of atoms and molecules like everything else is. To help to understand, your Creator is described in the media as a bearded, fatherly figure with white hair and white robe and with a booming voice. On the other hand, when your Creator is that powerful, He can present Himself any way He wants to in order to make us mortals understand Him better. We hear statements claiming that something is God's will. We can only wonder and question that statement, since there are not enough letters and words in any language or any field of science to explain the Creator of this universe, how He works, why He does things the way He does, or what His will really is. Our understanding and our senses are too limited to comprehend all that. Our ranges of sight and hearing are limited. Our range of sight is between 430 and 770 terahertz, and our hearing is between 20 hertz and 20 kilohertz. That is only a fraction of the total sound and sight range of frequencies that there are. So there's a lot going on that we cannot see or hear. Gemstones and crystals have a special place in all religions. The beauty and radiance of gems have fascinated humans since the beginning. Since atoms and molecules in gemstones are in constant motion and follow the same rules as everything else on this earth, why would we think that they do not have any effect on our physical or mental state? We can only guess how magnetic fields, vibrations, atoms, and molecules interact with each other. Is it a sin to improve one's appearance? Should we not appreciate the beauty your Creator has made for you in the form of flowers, gemstones, and all the life and nature around you? Why cannot we look the best, wear the nice colors, accessories, look very well put together, not only for special occasions but on a daily basis? Crystals and gemstones are God's handiwork. In many religions they represent and symbolize healing, purity, and enlightenment. You represent your Creator, so why should you look unattractive? All living things are daily preening themselves to look the best they can, especially when it's a part of continuing the species to attract the mate. You are one of the manifestations of your Creator, so you should appreciate that and look your best, and of course do it without pride and or greed, and do it with proper humility. Humility is difficult to contain and is in constant battle with pride and envy. Considering the numbers of cosmetic surgeries are up to 400% since 1997. Speaking of stones, stay humble and have a colorful afternoon. Bye-bye.